अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आज की इस वीडियो में हम बात करने वाले हैं ऐसे राइटिंग ऑन माय बेस्ट टीचर 150 वर्ड्स। आई हैव मैनी टीचर्स बट सर बिलाल इज माय बेस्ट टीचर। ही इज अ ग्रेट पर्सनैलिटी। ही इज अ prominent teacher. He is an expert teacher of physics and mathematics. He holds a master's degree in physics. He is a senior teacher in our school. All the other teachers in our school follow his instructions. Undoubtedly, he is a well educated person. I extremely adore it. He is very humble and polite. He likes simplicity. No teacher can replace them as he is an excellent man. His way of teaching is outstanding. He is a very friendly person. He speaks very softly. He is a very nice man. He is a very hardworking teacher. He is also known as an expert teacher in teaching English. He does not miss any given class period. He comes to school on time every day. He always encourages his students to work hard. All students respect him. सो आई होप दोस्तों ये वीडियो आपको पसंद आया होगा। अगर आप इस तरह के और वीडियोस देखने में इंटरेस्टेड हैं तो प्लीज़ आप इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर करें, इस वीडियो को लाइक और शेयर भी करें। थैंक यू।